Hello friends and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this part in SolidWorks following this sketch. So let's start. First we have to open a sketch in the top plane. Then we'll make a center line. And now we'll make the next sketch using line. Now we'll switch to center point arc. And we'll make here a center point arc. And we'll make another one here. Now let's define this. First select this center point and this line. And select here make tangent. Do the same with these two. And with this. And with this. Okay. Now make here 10. This will be 6. From this point to this point will be 38 millimeters. From this point to this point will be 40. This will be 12. This will be also 12. This will have 45 millimeters. And from this point to this point will be 69. This line will have 35. From this line to this center line will be 75. This line will have 25. Select this point and this center line. Select to make coincident. And now we'll use mirror entities command to mirror this side on this side. So select all of this and then click on this center line to deselect it. And at mirror about select this center line. Press OK. And now we have the full sketch. Now what we have to do is to make here two circles. Now let's define them. Actually we only need one. Now this will have the diameter of 38. And from this line to this center point will be 60 millimeters. Now this is fully defined. Go to features, extruded boss base, and here we'll put 35 millimeters. Press OK. Now select this face, open a sketch, normal 2, and now use convert entities command to convert all of these edges. Press OK. Now make a circle here. Select this edge and this circle. Select here, make concentric. Now this will have the diameter of 50 millimeters. Now make a center line. And then select line and make the next line. Now select center point arc. Now we'll select line. Select this center point arc and this line. Select here, make tangent. Do the same with this one. Okay, now make another center point arc. Now let's dimension this. Here will be 6. From this point to this center line will be 45 millimeters. From this point to this line will be 10. Now select this line and this center point arc and select here, make tangent. Now select line and make a line from here to this circle. Now here will be 12 millimeters. Select this line and make it vertical. Now with sketch fillet, we'll make here a fillet and put here 3 millimeters. Now select this line and this circle. And make them tangent. Now use mirror entities command and select all of these lines, and at mirror about select this center line and press OK. Now with trim entities we'll cut this part of the circle, and now this sketch is fully defined. Go to features, extruded cut, and here put 25 millimeters. Now select this face, open a sketch, and here use convert entities command to convert this circle Now we'll have to make another circle. Select this circle and this one, select and make concentric, then select this circle and this edge and select here make coradial. Now go to features, extruded boss base, and here we'll put 10 millimeters and press OK. Now select this face, open a sketch, normal 2. Here we'll have to make 2 circles. Select both of them, select here make equal. Now let's dimension this one. Here will be 10 millimeters. Now from this point to this edge will be 23 millimeters. and from this point to this point will be 63 millimeters. Select this point, and here will be also 63 millimeters, and from this point to this edge will be 23. Now go to features, extruded cut, here select up to next and press OK. Nice, this is looking good. Now select this face, open a sketch, normal 2. Here we have to make a center line first. Then we'll make 2 circles. Now let's define this. This one will have 38 millimeters in diameter. And from this point to this edge will be 56. Now this one will have the diameter of 20 millimeters. Now select line, make a line from that edge to this circle. Select this point and this point, and select here make horizontal. Now make a line from this circle to this edge, and from this point to this center line will be 33 millimeters. Now we'll have to make another line here, and we'll use sketch fillet again. Select this line and this line, and here will be 25 millimeters. And press OK. Now with trim entities we'll cut this line, and now select this point and this point, and select here make coincident. Okay, and now we'll give a dimension from this point to the center line, 28.3. Now use trim entities command to cut this part of the circle, and then select line and close this sketch. Now go to features, extruded boss base, select here reverse direction, and here put 10 millimeters. It's okay. Now select this face again, open a sketch, normal 2, and here we have to make a circle. Select this circle and this edge, select here make coradial, and then with convert entities command convert this edge. Now go to features, select extruded boss base, here put 3 millimeters, and at direction 2 put 13, and press OK. Now we'll have to mirror this on this side. Use mirror command at mirror face plane, select right plane, and at features to mirror select boss extruded 4, boss extruded 3, and press OK. Now this part is done. If you want to give another color, right click on it, go to appearance, here select body, and from here select the color you want this part to be. Press OK. right click on this face, go to appearance, select your face, then select all of these faces, and you can give them another color. Press OK, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video, where I'm gonna do another part, another exercise. So if you like what I'm doing, you can leave a like, subscribe, share, a comment with your opinion. Thank you for watching.